Now CLS or control F, root icon I, and then root only, okay. VI, command line argument dot sh. This is our program. Yes, I applied here. Okay, shift colon X. We need to execute this. How can I execute? BSS bash dot slash CLA dot sh. Here is 10 comma 20 comma 30. This status code is what? 0. 0 means execution successfully done. Execution successfully done. That's why we got like this. Now, based on this, we'll see other examples. Now, our documentation here is the no documentation Linux. Linux. Where is the documentation? This one. Now, see here. Try to observe echo number of arguments. We got we know, hash, dollar hash. First argument, here the script name is dollar zero. File name. Script name is nothing but file name. This is the first argument, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth. Here is the dollar star means total arguments list it will show. Number of arguments, file name, each first one, second one. They given Linux, maybe learning Linux is very easy. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Combining all these things in the sense dollar with star symbol or dollar with at the rate symbol. See, difference between dollar at the rate and a dollar star mark. Small variance is there. What is the variance in the sense? IFS, internal field separation is one concept is there. Internal field separation. We need to apply this one. We need to see all command line arguments with the space separator. This is at the rate having automatically space is there. Automatically space is there. What does it mean? Internally taking each, if you are giving space, automatically it will be treated as a separate word. But here is not like that. Everything will be treated as a single string. When if you use dollar star, if you use dollar star. Now see what I may do is I may do small modification. I may do small modification. You go to our script. Go to our script. See, there I'm applying. Just observe IFS. Insert, insert. There capital A, capital S is equal to you specify one character. You specify one character. Double quotation, double quotation. I'm giving maybe colon is the character. Maybe colon is the character. This is our intention. After this, escape, shift colon X. Shift colon X. I given capital X, I think. Escape, caps lock off, shift colon X. Now check it. Here is 10, 20, 30. What happens? We may observe here. There's something different. See, somewhere something differently output. Have you got it or not? Wherever you given dollar star means this is for dollar at the rate. Are agree with me or not? This is for dollar at the rate symbol. This is what? Dollar with star symbol. What I said? Internal field separation. What computer will do internally is the MS Paint. MS Paint. If you go with dollar dollar at the rate, what happens? We'll check it. If you go with the dollar at the rate, what it will feel? I given input 10, 20, 30. What it may feel internally? Double quotation 10, space, double quotation 20, space, double quotation 30. That will feel internally. If you give dollar sign, star symbol, what it may feel is I am giving 10, 20, 30. What internally feels is double quotation, 10 space, 20 space, 30. This is the internal meaning. Whenever if we specify IFS, I Whenever it specify capital I, capital F, capital S, internal field separation is equal to double quotation colon, double quotation, wherever space is there, that is filled with, how it will fill, double quotation 10 colon, 20 colon, 30. This is the nature of work of dollar star. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Here, automatically it will take as a separate word by word. In between words, very complex to manage. But here is not like that. Here it will treat it as a full string. It is having spaces. That space is also according to our industry standard, according to our Linux development. They given 10, C, 20, C, 30. What does it mean? You can push any character here. This is not a blank space. By default, they provided blank space. How they provided? How they provided internally? They may given like this. This is the meaning. This is the meaning. One space is there. In this space, I am filling with maybe any one letter. You may fill with at the rate also. You may fill with at the rate also. Kishore and Neetu. Understood or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Good.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now we go for another exam. See, in the same, see, where C is the first character of the internal field separator, the default first character is space. See, here in between C is the right at middle, that is the character space, that is the character. How to check? Default IFS, see, default dollar set and grep IFS, their IFS is dollar slash t slash n. We can change this one. We can change this one. If you want to change it, we can change it. See, that took backslash t means tab. Backslash n means new line character. New line character. Here IFS is here in this example they specified hyphen. In my example, I specified colon. I specified colon. I hope you got the clarity. Now, this one already we understood. How to identify the length of a word. How to identify the length of a word. Have we applied or not? How to identify the length of a word. Okay, we'll check it once again. How to find, how to find, now VA len.sh. How to identify length of a word. Very simple. First, we are reading one character. Echo, 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 read, hyphen p, enter any, enter any string, enter any string. There I'm taking, maybe I'm giving just str name, string name. I took the variable is string name. After that, just echo entered string is, enter string is, I want to display that string, dollar sign str name, dollar sign str name. Now I want to identify the length. Echo, here is the dollar sign str name, string name, length, length is. Now I am using command substitution. This is the command substitution. Within that, what I am using? Echo, what I want to echo? Hyphen n, dollar sign. What you want to apply? Str name. That is the variable. Pipe symbol. WC, word count, hyphen
Hyphen
C,
L.
hyphen capital L means no need to give hyphen N. Okay. Here C means you need to give like this. I think why color is changed. Any something goes wrong. I think nothing is there. But anyway, color will be changed, right? We'll check it. Color is changed. Escape. Shift colon. Yes. Now check it here. Bash len. I'm increasing the font size. Len.sh. String welcome. I am giving. Welcome is having 7 characters. See, enter any string properly given. Entered string is welcome. Welcome length is 7 characters. Output is good, right? If you want to apply through Linux, these things directly you want to get it very complex. At middle you may get again prompt, again this one, command line. But here see, properly, here we are giving input. Whatever you given, you are getting same output. For that output, how many characters are there? We are giving some operation. We perform some operations. Based on the operations, we got the output. If you want to perform any operation, we need to apply command substitution. Whatever you provided as an input, you want to get it variable substitution. For command line, for variable, once again I am giving clue. See, dollar with any name is nothing but variable substitution. Variable substitution. Dollar name, dollar sign with braces in between. If you apply any Linux command. Here in our scenario, apply two commands. One is echo I used. Second one after that, I used which one? Anyone tell me? WC. Two commands I used. Echo is one command, WC is one command. I hope you got the clarity or not. Tell me. Yes, VA, what is the name I given? Len.sh. See, if you know very well about Linux commands, our task is very simple. If you don't know how to use echo, if you don't know how to use WC, I think very complex. That's what I said. If you at least 80% familiar with Linux commands, shell script is very easy. Shell script is what? A combination of Linux commands and applying some logic here. Applying some logic. Maybe some common sense also we are applying. What we provided, what we taken here, one variable. That variable name we are providing. How can I say variable dollar? If we give before any word, that is the dollar sign that represents variable. That represents variable. I hope you got the clarity. Now, in the same way, you may go for one more exam. One more exam. Here, see, they took separately. They written in length. That length they are printing. What I did? Everything I written here itself. Everything I written here itself. Write a script to create a log file with timestamp. This is also very important. Log file with the timestamps. Log file with I need to create a file. I need to create a file. With the file you want to get. With the file you want to append a date and time with the file. Maybe I may go with not date and time. I may go with only date first. Only date. But what is the drawback of only date? Day is there, month is there, year is there. If I create 100 files, same day, same month, same year. If you provide time also, time is seconds, right? Or time is minutes, right? Automatically, if you create multiple files, it will automatically take multiple files. File names are unique. Same file name, if I create once again, what it will say? It won't agree. Same file name, if you create once again, it won't agree. It won't agree. Now we'll try to create that. We'll try to create which one? There are timestamp. How to create a timestamp? How to create a timestamp? Timestamp dot log we need to create. Or in general way, first we'll check it. In general way, first we'll check it. How to create a timestamp. Normally, you want to create file name. How to create any one file? Now tell me. Generally touch, right? TOUCH touch. What is the file name? Assume. File with I want. Here is the date assume. File I want to add date. Generally, what we may do? Anyone tell me? I want to, this is the file. Suppose I may create touch file, automatic file got created. Now ls-l, if you check it, or ls-ltr, you may see at the end, file got created. For this file, I want to append today date. For this file, I want to append today date. For this file, you want to append today date. Just you can append dollar, maybe plus is required or not at middle. Plus is required or not. Date plus timestamp. Where is the file actually? File somewhere is there. Get to only log timestamp date plus file plus. Okay, I understood. Now I want to create touch touch touch. Maybe I'm taking file underscore observe here underscore. After that, we need to apply dollar sign. This is command substitution. Till now everybody know right? Touch is there, file is there, underscore. Today date I want to get here. How to apply date, date, space plus, after that percentage symbol, capital D, capital D. If I press enter, what happens? Observe. No such file or directory. No such file or directory. I am creating, right? No such file or directory. Such file name. I am creating, right? Such file name. Such file name. Why it is not supporting? Touch cannot touch file underscore any reason is saying not able to create any reason it is not saying it is
So might
not.
be syntax error.
The syntax only the problem. Why is syntax having problem? This is the procedure now. Date plus date plus I given space. I given space here. Maybe space is the problem. Actually, space is required in general. What? No command not found. Okay, good. Now date space that is the good one. Date only correct, right? Date only correct. Plus only correct. Plus only correct. I want to create a file. I'm following procedure, but why it is saying where in proper procedure only. Date plus final output is attaching to here. Okay, there way I can follow. I think the date plus here is underscore. Touch is not supporting. That is my problem. I may go other way. Here is the variable name. Name is file, small file. Okay, good. What I want to do is here is mm, echo. There I want to specify dollar sign, flower bracket, name. After that underscore, dollar sign, open brace, date, small date. Maybe simply I'm adding date. We'll check it. It may work or not. It may work or not. Now see. Now am I correct? Right? See file underscore. See ma. Here name I specified what? File. Name I specified what? File.
Yeah.
Underscore. What is my intention? I specified everything, but not a total thing. I want only today date. Again up arrow. Year plus percentile capital D only date. Now check it once again what happens. Now our intention is clear, right? Our
Yes.
intention is clear. In the same way, I want only type file name with the time capital T, capital T. Now we got our logic file name with this one. For this, I may create touch. I may create touch. Touch may work or not, I don't know. That's what I am using. TOUCH touch. Touch. Now if I use touch, yes, supported. LS hyphen LTR. Now check it. Is it created or not? In this way, I may create multiple times. What happens? Observe now. What happens? Here, see, hours, minutes, seconds. Hours, minutes, seconds. What is the advantage here? I am keep on applying. I am keep on applying. Some people may feel we created only one file, not like that. See, for every second, file is changed. For every second, file is changed. ls-ltr. See how many files got created. See, second by second, file got created. Or within a second, if you press 10 times, no use ma. Within a second, if you press 10 times, no use. Only second by second, file got created. Got it or not? Suppose if I try to apply maybe small variance, what is my variance in the sense? Hours and minutes only. I may specify how do I specify? Tell me. Capital H, underscore, or hyphen, capital, capital minutes. Only hours, only minutes. Only hours, only minutes. This is our intention. Even that too with colon I want. That too with colon I want. Now I specified here what happened, check it. Maybe I am giving 10 times. Maybe assume 10 times I provided. 10 times I provided. But it created only one time. Anyone tell me why it is only hours and minutes, right? Within a minute, even you specify 100 times also, it will create only one file. It will create only one file. At the time of backup, here whatever the format you specified, based on that only it will create a file. Based on that only it will create a file. If you specify seconds, on every second system will create backup. If you specified minutes, every minute it will create backup. If you specify hour, only hour by hour it will create a backup. It will create a backup. Same procedure here in this documentation they followed. Now try to understand the documentation. What they took here? They took one variable name. One variable name. Within the variable, what they are storing? Date and time they are storing. They are storing only date and time. See, echo, this is data to log file. Echo, this is the data to log file. What their meaning is, whatever the content is there, that content they are redirecting, output redirection, and where they are storing whatever the timestamp is there, today date, today hour, today minute, today second, plus what they are providing log. What they are providing log. Automatically file got created. One more thing. This is extra data to log file. This is extra data to log file. Second variance is there. It may took separate file name. If variance is not there, within the same file data will be stored. See, within the same file. If a time is maybe small gap is there, second gap is there, two different files. If no second gap, both the data will be available in the same file. See, here date is also storing in the same timestamp. Here is what they are storing, what they are doing. Date is stored and echo means only empty line. This is nothing but empty line they are storing. After that, data written to log file successfully. If similar option will try to follow. What is the advantage of this similar option? Now sudo already there, va timestamp dot sh, timestamp dot sh. Now according to their scenario, first what they took, insert time, time. This is normal variable there is no special variable. Timestamp stamp, time stamp is equal to what they took, dollar sign, you know it, open brace, you know it, closing brace, you know it. What they specified here, date plus percentile. Their intention is percentile d underscore percentile m underscore percentile capital Y. Capital I means 4 digit. After that, what they want? Maybe underscore. Next, percentile capital H colon percentile capital M colon percentile capital S, seconds capital S. This is their intention. After their intention, they got timestamp. For this timestamps, they want to create a file. They want to create a file. If they want to create a file, they want to store something. Echo here is welcome to shell script. Shell script. This one they want to store into redirecting. Redirect where they are storing. Here is the dollar sign. Open curly brace. What does it mean? Variable substitution. Time stamp. Timestamp. Here is a dot log file. We are feeling like that. We are giving like that. We'll take up to this. You may get the clarity. Escape. Shift colon X. Now check it. What is the file name? It is bash bash dot slash ts dot sh. ts dot sh. Now anything missing? Why? Nothing is there. ls hyphen ltr. Now check it at the end. At the end, this is the log file. If I open this file, copy, cat, shift insert. What happening? Tell me. That is having welcome to shell script. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Same file. If I do 10 times, suppose if same bash, I'm running multiple times on every second also. On every second. Now ls hyphen ls hyphen ltr. Check it here. For each second, maybe see 21, 22, 23 like that. Here, if any, maybe we may miss a second, that second may miss. It is created. All files having same content. All files having same content. You take anyone. Take that middle one. At middle one. Just this is the way system, but they won't generate every second because of it occupies more memory. It occupies more memory. Copy it. cat. Just take over paste. See, there I use append, right? Append means double greater than. Double greater than means one more line is added. If you take this one, maybe four or five lines may be there. Four or five lines. Copy it, cat, but content is same with duplication. Why? Why duplication? You don't want duplication. See, what is that? Got it right? If you don't want duplication, if you don't want, see, it is appended. Their time is maybe what I may do is I'll do small modification. I don't want append. I don't want append. Sudo va ts dot sh. I don't want double greater than, only single greater than. What does it mean? Output redirection with override. Output redirection with override. Only one line will be there. Even if 2 to 3 seconds is there, it may add it. I don't want to add it. I don't want to append. Just you try to add only single line. This is very important. Try to understand. This is the time step. How to provide variable name dot something is the extra thing. In place of log, you may give tar also. Our feeling is what? Every file is a log file. For that, we can go like this. Log file generation like this they will do by using shell script. Without shell also I created, right? Without shell also I created, but that is complex. This is very easy. I hope you got the clarity. Now, how to read dynamic data from the user? How to read dynamic data from the user? The best way I can directly go. This is also we can do echo, enter a value, read a. But industry is today nowadays this concept is not following. This concept is not following, which is following already provided. Now I go for VI read dot sh. I'll take already written yesterday. See, this is the following. Maybe I may delete everything. Delete everything. What is the industry nowadays following is read, read, hyphen P, enter first number. Enter first number. I am giving FIRST first. In the same way, read hyphen P. There is no space mark here. Read hyphen P. Enter second number. Enter second number. second number. Just I am giving SECOND second. What is your intention? Echo your first number. Your first number. What you want to print? Dollar sign. FIR is the first. Wherever dollar is there, that feel like a variable. Again, echo your second number. Yes, even we can give like this also. Dollar second. This is also valid. Now you want to do echo dollar first plus dollar second $2 is equal to dollar open brace or dollar square bracket directly I'm using dollar square bracket. Here is the simply first plus second. This is one type of validation. SEC second. It will valid ma. It is valid. Same thing. I am writing another way. Echo dollar first plus here is the dollar second is equal to even dollar sign square brackets.
Space, sir.
Where is where this space is okay, this space is okay. I think this is normal space. This is not a problem here, not a problem here. Dollar first plus dollar second. This one is a valid one, this one is a valid one. But compared to this one, this is easy, right? Where no need to use again and again dollar. Some situations require, some situations not require. Maybe you may ask when is required, when is not required. Based on the practice only, our brain will capture. Okay, there is no special situations, but at the time of addition with the square bracket, internal, no need to use dollar. If any square bracket is there, if square bracket is there, other things are there, sometimes require, sometimes may not. We'll check it first. Shift colon X. Now bash dot slash read dot sh. Now enter first number 10, enter second number 20. See the results. See, enter your second number, echo 10 plus 20 30. Again echo 10 plus 20 30. Am I getting the proper result or not? Yes, we can get it by using like this. This is the prompting. Prompting means reading content from. I hope you clear. This is the technique we applied. Read hyphen P. Prompt means to display on the command, to display on the terminal for reading something. This is the variable name. This is the variable name. At the time of using variable, now if you want to display something, at the time only you need to use a dollar sign. If you want to display whatever it is there, whatever it contains, at the time only you need to use dollar. At the time of creating, don't use. See, echo A value, echo B value. I am getting those results. Those results. One more thing. You want to take name and password. You want to take name and password. Generally, passwords won't visible, right? Here is VA, name and password dot sh. I am taking name and password. Now quickly tell me, echo, insert, insert, echo hyphen P, enter your name. Enter your name. I'm taking one variable name. Here is the name. I'm taking variable name is name. In the same way, echo assume hyphen p, enter password. I may take like this, maybe pwd. This assume these are the value. These are the value. But assume I okay. After that, echo your name your name is maybe dollar name, dollar sign name. Even if you want to print it, you can print echo your your password colon what is that? I need to
Dollar.
use dollar pwd. Dollar pwd. We'll check it. Now, at the time of entering, name is visible. Good. At the time of entering password, password may not visible. That is our intention. But here password is also visible. First we'll check in general, then I'll go and modify. Bash, bash, bash dot slash np dot sh. Name is, what is something goes wrong? Something goes wrong. What is the problem? There I given space, I think. No, dot np dot sh only, right? Your name is good, your password is good. Why something? Am I used or something? What I used? Read only, right? Read you need to use, not echo. Read, read. Taking data from the command user, right? Can user read. And now escape, shift colon X. Now check it here what happened. Now name is Rama. Password is Sita. Is it visible or not? This is not the good procedure. What is the good procedure? You need to follow one technique. What is that? Yes. Yes. Here is insert. Okay. Yes. P. S means suppress. S means silent. Silent and prompt. Now escape. Shift colon. Shift colon. Just X. Now check it what happens. Name is Rama. Password is SITA. I entered. Password is Sita. You may ask me. You didn't enter. If I press enter, your name is Rama displayed. Your password is what? Your password is what? Sita. At the time of entering, if you don't want to see, what is the special property you need to provide? What is the special argument you need to provide? That is
SP, sir.
hyphen yes. Hyphen yes. Actually, this means what in the sense? Hyphen s hyphen p. First yes, second p valid. First p, second yes invalid. Only first you need to give yes. Then prompt. First prompt and silent is wrong thing. First silent and prompt is the right thing. Even you check it your way, you may get the output. I hope you got the clarity. Escape, shift colon X. Now, in the same way, you may check other examples. See, hyphen s hyphen p is valid. Hyphen s hyphen p is valid. Even see here, maybe some other case. Write a script to read student data and display to the console for confirmation. See, this way. Read, 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 read. How many times they are asking each variable name? Variable name. We are specifying name, roll number, age, marks, details. I think very easy. I applied two things, right? I applied name and password. In the same way, they are asking age. They are asking mark. In the same way, what they are doing, they are displaying same way. First variable name they are giving. Second variable name with dollar. Third variable name with dollar. They need marks. They are displaying like this. I hope very easy, right? Any difficulty is that if you feel I may try this one. Otherwise, I may leave. I may go for other example. See, check it. Any difficulty is there? At middle, they want what? They want just hyphen, hyphen, hyphen. It may display like this. It may display on the screen like this. Even if you go same line here also, at the end also, you may get same thing. At the end also, here no special thing is. That is my intention. Read means getting data from the terminal. Echo means same data. It will display on the console. Console means again on the output screen. Taking data from the keyboard is nothing but read. Displaying data on the monitor is nothing but echo. I hope you understood. Clear or not? Now write a script to read employee details and save to emp.txt file. Same coding. At the end, one line extra. At the end, one line extra. I'll try to apply this one. I'll try to apply this one. You may get the feel. Now emp dot sh. I took like this. I may take three fields. Three fields. One is insert, read, read. Maybe enter your name. Enter name. Simply I am going just name. In the same way, read hyphen p is mandatory, right? Hyphen p. hyphen P. Yes. Next, name, age, marks I may take. Read, hyphen P. Enter, enter age. Enter age. There I'm taking age. Again read, hyphen P. Enter marks. Marks. Just there I'm taking MARKS. Up to this code. This one I'm printing. Echo. Before printing, you need like this. After printing, you need like this. This is our feel like that. This is you want to feel like this. Here is I need to use space, otherwise an error. Not like that. This is space. Now you got it. This one you want to print here. You want to print here. Echo name colon dollar sign name valid. Even in the same way echo after that age colon dollar sign age is valid. Again echo tell me marks marks colon marks marks. Up to this it will print on the screen. Whatever it is printed, that will store it on the where you want to store, maybe file. For that what we are doing is echo dollar sign name colon dollar sign age colon dollar sign marks. Okay, good. This content you need to store into uh, that is emp dot maybe temp dot txt. There I need to create temp.txt. This is our file name. Temp.txt. Now check it what happening. Escape shift colon x. Here is bash bash dot slash emp dot sh. Enter name Rama. Enter age 30. Enter marks 99. Yes, sir. It is displayed and stored. Where it is stored? Anyone tell me? Temp.txt. Cat temp.txt. Check it. In the data is there or not? Name Rama. Age 30. Marks 99. Suppose I may enter once again. Once more. Bash emp.sh. I'm taking my name is Lakshmi. My age is 45. I'm giving my marks is only 60. Now check it. cat temp.txt. What happens? Observe and tell me. Whatever you're entering, this is like a front end. This is like a back end. Whatever you are uh, giving, same thing, displaying as well as storing somewhere else. Is this storing or not? Why it is storing? We specified echo with output redirection. That is the special thing here. Check it here. Output redirection is there or not? Not this one. Control C. Output redirection is there or not? Observe and tell. Output redirection. This is the extra line. This content we are storing where in separate file. In separate file. I hope you got the clarity. I am giving more and more. Your brains may support or not, I don't know. Same procedure, they given multiple times, they are storing in this way. They are storing in this way. I given my data, they provided their data. This is the final output. They took emp.txt, I took temp.txt. I took temp.txt. In the same way, write a script to takes a string from end user and print its length. Similar thing already applied. This program already we executed. This program already we executed. Write a script to read file name from the end user and display its content. Displays content. This one also very easy. This one finally I may do this one. I may do this one today. I'll try to wind up. Now, what is our concept? Read file name. This one also last class I implemented. But anyway, here is the VA r.sh. R.sh. See what it is asking. Generally, what we may specify is echo General thing I am telling. Echo your file content. Content is after that we make you cat after that file name. Generally tell me one file name. Maybe read.sh is there, right? Read.sh. Assume read.sh. Read.sh. Even before getting this, for effect to look and feel, echo just like this. The same way after displaying echo, just we are giving like this. Now see what happens. Escape, shift colon, X. Here, dash, dot slash, or dot sh. Okay. Content is displayed good, but it is, if I run 100 times, same output I may get. Not like that. Every time it may ask file name. Every time it may ask file name. For that, I may add one extra thing. What is the extra thing? Just insert read hyphen p, enter, enter file name, enter file name. Here I am giving f name. Here that f name I am mentioning here. That f name I am mentioning. How I am mentioning? That with $sign f name. Again, here small drawback is there. I'll tell you what is the drawback. Shift colon x. Suppose if I run this, everything is fine. What is the file name? Even I am giving r.sh. It may working or not. Again I may run. Again I may run. What is the file name? Read.sh. Is it running? I may give up arrow like this. I am giving, see, 1 2 3 xyz xyz. I think I may not having such file. See, no such file or directory. No such file or directory. You need to avoid this. We'll see those things tomorrow. Tomorrow, in the sense, today evening, at the time, maybe 6 to 7, as usual, class is there. At that time, we'll see that. Till now, please try to practice. From hereafter, maybe state coding may be lengthy. Coding may be lengthy in the sense we may move to more than 5 lines, maybe up to 10 lines. Maybe up to today, I may not exceed more than 5 lines. Maybe from today evening, we may go for up to 10 lines also, up to 50 lines code also, because of we need to apply some logic sense. If so and so, okay. If not so and so, okay. If three arguments are there, you may get like that: one argument something, two argument something, three argument greater than three, less than five. Like that, you may apply some conditional formatting. Conditional. That's why at the time you go with maybe coding may be somewhat lengthier. Okay. Till now, anybody facing any difficult, ask me. Otherwise we may wind the session. Kishore. I think Neetu
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Ma, Neetu, any doubt ma till now?
No, sir.
Okay, good ma. Are you practicing ma?
So not it. I was
I know your duty actually. I know
yes,
your
sir.
duty timings also. Maybe even not only you here, Bharati also maybe up to midnight 11, 12. Maybe she is also talking with maybe calls. Maybe you are also doing same activity, I think, right?
Not because of that, sir. I was not well actually,
Oh,
so I'm little lagging. So that's why
oh.
yesterday I started this AWS. I just created an account. I should start practicing from
Now,
today.
now account, I try to share ma once ma. We check it if possible. Otherwise, we may see evening.
So where do I share to that?
I think maybe in our screen, ma, at the bottom, see maybe mic is there, video is
Yes,
there,
sir. Yes,
CC
sir.
is there, there one maybe one pic is there. After that arrow is there, ma, arrow
Yes,
symbol.
sir.
Click on that arrow.
I
Once you
clicked
click,
on this.
once you click on that arrow, maybe stop record, stop presentation may be there. Check it, stop or start something is there. Once you click that one, what it is showing? Tell me.
This will let you take over Lakshmipati. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. You click on that.
I clicked, sir.
After clicking, you may get one some different maybe dialog box like that. You got it or not?
Yes, sir.
There you read. I think two or three options are getting. Only one option you have. You got. Entire screen, entire screen somewhere. Entire screen is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you select that one. You select that one. You click at middle. Automatically, you will get the highlight. You may get the highlight. Highlight. Maybe
Yes, sir. I
share.
shared it.
Yeah, yeah. Click once. Very good. Try to open your whatever you want to show me. I think till
Yeah,
now you
actually,
didn't.
this is the
No,
account.
okay,
Yes, it
good.
right.
Right. Oh. Now click on EC2. That's all. Click on EC2 here. Click on
EC2.
EC2.
Okay.
EC2. Everything is fine for you. Nothing is there.
Okay, sir.
It is working good. Now just what it is saying, I think complete sign up. Something you complete your AWS registration. Till now you didn't complete. It may take up to when it is created,
Yesterday, sir.
yesterday. Even it is taking time. Mm, credit card. Have you provided credit card information? Yes or no?
No, no, sir. No, sir.
That is the problem. Do you have either debit card or credit card, right? Anyone it is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it is there, you click on that mark, complete your AWS registration. Just click once. Here you need to provide your card details. Okay. Maybe
Okay.
they may reduce only 2 rupees. No worries. They won't
Okay,
cut
sir.
your amount. Just try to fulfill this one. Automatically your account will be properly created.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You need to fill this.
Okay, sir.
If any doubt is there, again ping me. I may connect on the group. I may provide sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I may
Thank you.
wait. Yes.